Now this is the daily chart of Coinbase, and as you can see, it has gone up by quite a lot from 115 to here, 278, more than double in price, and right now it's just correcting. Is top forming? It's too early to say whether a top is forming or not, but it's generally you should expect some sideways trading after it rises by a lot. Here it formed maybe a double bottom, kind of rounded, and with a cup handle pattern. So I don't know whether you can see it or not. Here you can just treat it as a handle. This is the cup and handle, and we take the height of it, we get a possible target, and I believe the target has already been met, which is around here. So when the target is met, don't be surprised that you need some sideways trading, and our reference point will be here. If Coinbase is able to stay above here for the future and does not drop below the 50 MA, we just treat it as a consolidation. This stock has gone up quite a lot. Even here it broke out of a consolidation, had a bullish cross, and traders could buy here, put a stop loss right it higher for a nice risk to reward before it dropped below the 20 MA, hinted of a correction. So this stock is trading above the 50 MA and 200 MA, and this tells us to be bullish buyers in the mid-term and long-term. Weekly chart, well, I can see why it's having some issues and problems, because number one, there is resistance here, congestion area, and then secondly, it has resistance here, and of course some resistance in the highs over here. So it's just trading sideways to absorb the supply here. It will take some time for it to overcome the resistance here. If you take the weekly measured move from here to here, project it higher, I think it has also met its target, so no surprise here. 60-minute chart from a double bottom. Once it broke above the downtrend line, it went higher a bit. You could put in a trade here. Now it's sitting at the 60-minute 200 MA, waiting for it to break below this downtrend line. If it is able to do so, then we might see it higher. But the 200 MA is a support here. If it drops below the 200 MA, we might see more weaknesses and see it sell off to about this area, support area. So far, it has not dropped below the 200 MA yet. So at this moment, just consider it to trade sideways. If you want to pick up this stock, maybe wait for it to drop to this support area or the 50 MA. Sideways trading is good because if you look at the weekly chart, it's just absorbing the supply. This resistance area needs some time for it to, get rid of the resistance. So continue to be patient, right? Wait for it to meet the 50 MA. Maybe if it breaks above the downtrend line, it might go higher, but I would prefer for it to trade sideways to absorb the resistance here. So be patient and wait for it to either drop to the 50 MA or form a nice continuation setup. So I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.